Hey guys, it's Jan from your average techie, and today we'll be unboxing the BoAt AirDopes 441 Pro. Let's get right to it. Okay, so before going ahead with the unboxing, we'll check out the box and what it says. It's got Bluetooth 5.0, which was pretty common these days. It's got the power bank function, which I'll talk about later. It's got IPX7 water and sweat resistant rating. That's good if you want to go and work out in these. It's got 6mm dynamic drivers, so not the biggest I've ever seen, but it's okay for earbuds in this price range. It's got one touch voice assistant, again pretty common. It's got advanced capacitive touch controls, which can do pretty much everything you want to do when you're listening to music, except turning the volume up and down, which you'll have to do manually with your phone. It's got Insta Wake and Pair technology, so that whenever you open the case, it'll directly pair the earbuds to your phone. And it's got a massive 2600 mAh carry case with 5 hours of playback per charge and an additional 150 hours with the case. Okay, so one final thing before we get to the unboxing. These earbuds come at a 2500 rupees price mark, and I'll link it down below if you want to buy them. And let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so it's got 4 seals right around the box, and I'll cut right through them. Okay, perfect. Now it's a pretty Apple-like packaging. It's pretty satisfactory, and as you can see, it's got the earbuds right in the front and what looks like a box on the side. And if we take them out, it's got some manuals and stuff on the bottom. We'll get to those. Okay, and we'll keep these aside for a moment. We'll take out the box and we'll see what's inside. Oh, okay. It's got some extra ear tips and some wing tips so that you can match your fit and you don't have to use a universal size. Okay, that's good. So that increases the comfort. Okay, and it's got a manual, classic BoAt. They've got a really big manual, and they've got a 1-year warranty, and they've got a pamphlet showing all the brand ambassadors and all the products. I don't know why BoAt wastes so much paper and resources in printing these. No one actually reads them. Okay, now let's get to the earbuds. Okay, so they've got a pretty nice build quality. I wasn't expecting that considering the price tag, but I should have expected it from a company like BoAt. They're a pretty big company and they've got pretty nice reviews. So, and if you see, whenever you open the case, the earbuds are sitting right there, and they've got a nice magnetic click which detects when the case is open or the case is closed, and that helps in the Insta Wake and Pair. And whenever you open the case, the earbuds directly pair to your phone. As you can see right here, they're paired. Okay, so let's test the sound quality. Okay, they sit in the case magnetically. That's pretty good. I thought they'd be sitting without magnets. Okay, so the fit is nice. I wasn't expecting such a nice fit, but it's pretty good. I thought it should be quite uncomfortable, but quite nice. Okay, so they don't have active noise cancellation, but the passive noise cancellation, or the noise cancellation that happens when the earbuds just fit snugly into your ears, that's pretty good. I can just barely hear my own voice. That's pretty nice in my opinion. And when music is going, then I guess it should drown out my voice also completely. Okay, so let's try some music. My app of choice is Spotify. Okay, let's see. I'll pick a pretty bass heavy song so that I can test all bass, mids and highs. Okay.
Your fans become your haters.
You done?
Weird,
Alright.
yelling at the mic. Weird.
Doing this once.
Nice. Okay, so they've got a pretty nice bass, amazing mids and clear highs. So amazing. So 9 on 10 on sound quality for me, and pretty nice. I wasn't expecting this. They've got like AirPods like sound quality. Not bad. Okay. Okay. So overall verdict on the BoAt AirDopes 441 Pros. 8 on 10. I mean, value for money, definitely 10 on 10. This is very feature packed. Capacitive touch works amazing. Passive noise cancellation is great. Sound quality is just awesome if you're a bass lover. And build quality is also pretty nice. So yeah, go ahead, buy these. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel would be amazing. Like, share and comment on the video and tell me what you thought. Also, one last feature I forgot to talk about was reverse charging. And yeah, if you open this slot in the front, you will see two ports, a USB Type-C and a USB Type-A. The USB Type-C is for charging, of course, and I liked it that they gave USB Type-C and not micro USB. And the other port, USB Type-A, is for reverse charging. If you're ever in a pickle and you want to charge your phone and you don't have a wall charger nearby, you can just take your USB Type-A to USB Type-C or Lightning or whatever and put it in here, put the other end in your phone and press this little button, and that's it. Your phone starts charging. And it can charge your phone up to like 40-50% before it dies, but that's pretty good. It's just for emergency purposes. I would recommend that you use a wall charger or a power bank or a computer to charge, but if you're ever in an emergency, then definitely you can use this. Okay, signing off. Join at Your Average Tech and catch you in the next one. Bye.